Knuckle cracking, it's not what you think. Studies show cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Mind blown? Like and subscribe for more fascinating science facts. That satisfying pop isn't bones grinding. It's collapsing gas bubbles inside your synovial fluid. Synovial fluid lubricates your joints like oil in an engine. The cracking sound comes from tribonucleation. Imagine rapidly separating two surfaces in liquid, creating a void. That's the bubble popping. Years of research debunked that myth. Now for the most striking part. After you crack, it takes about 20 minutes for the gas to redissolve back into the fluid, which is why you can't immediately crack again. What body part should we explore next? Tell us in the comments.